Do you want to make money online in 2024 without holding inventory or shipping products? Welcome to the world of dropshipping, a lucrative business model that's being transformed by artificial intelligence. Stay tuned to learn how to use AI in your dropshipping business and ride the wave of e-commerce success in 2024. Starting a dropshipping business can be challenging for beginners. The journey often begins with a surge of excitement, a burst of motivation, and a handful of great ideas. But when it comes to the actual implementation, many find themselves stuck in a quagmire of difficulties. One of the first hurdles is product selection. With millions of products available online, how do you pick the perfect items to sell? How do you identify those winning products that customers can't resist and that will keep them coming back for more? It's like finding a needle in a haystack, and it can be incredibly overwhelming, especially for beginners. Then there's the issue of supplier reliability. You're essentially putting your business in the hands of your suppliers. If they fail to deliver quality products on time, it's your reputation that takes the hit. And trust us, in the world of e-commerce, reputation is everything. But let's say you've got great products and a reliable supplier. Now you have to deal with customer service. You'll be flooded with inquiries, complaints, and requests for returns. It's a necessary part of the business, but it can also be a major time sink, taking you away from other important tasks like marketing and growth strategies. Speaking of marketing, that's another challenge. How do you get your products in front of the right audience? How do you convince them to choose your products over the countless others available online? It's a daunting task that requires a deep understanding of your target market and a knack for persuasive communication. And these are just some of the challenges you'll face as a beginner in dropshipping. They can be overwhelming and even disheartening at times. But don't worry, there's a solution to these challenges: AI tools. AI tools are transforming the way dropshipping businesses operate. One of the most daunting tasks for beginners in dropshipping is product research. It's often a game of hit or miss, and a lot of time and effort is wasted on products that don't sell. But with AI, this process can be streamlined. AI tools can analyze vast amounts of data from various sources, identify trends and preferences, and predict what products are likely to sell well. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you what your customers want. The next challenge is finding reliable suppliers. Manual research can be time-consuming and fraught with uncertainty. However, AI can simplify this task too. AI tools can evaluate suppliers based on various factors such as pricing, shipping times, and customer reviews, providing you with a list of the most reliable and cost-effective options. Now, let's talk about customer service. It's a crucial aspect of any business, but it's also one of the most labor-intensive. AI can automate a significant part of this process. With AI-powered chatbots, you can provide instant responses to customer inquiries, process orders, and even handle complaints. These chatbots can operate around the clock, ensuring your customers get immediate assistance whenever they need it. Finally, personalized marketing is another area where AI shines. AI algorithms can analyze customer behavior and preferences to create personalized marketing campaigns. These can include product recommendations, targeted ads, and personalized emails. This level of personalization can significantly boost your conversion rates and customer loyalty. In summary, AI tools can make your dropshipping business more efficient and profitable. They can take over the tedious tasks, allowing you to focus on strategy and growth. They can provide insights that would be impossible to gather manually. And they can enhance your customer service and marketing efforts, leading to higher customer satisfaction and repeat business. With the right AI tools, you can overcome the common challenges in dropshipping and streamline your operations. The benefits of using AI in dropshipping are undeniable. It's like having a tireless assistant that works around the clock, helping you to streamline your business and maximize your profits. Let's paint a picture. Imagine you're a beginner in dropshipping. You're juggling product research, customer service, and marketing, all while trying to learn the ropes of the business. It's overwhelming, isn't it? Now imagine having an AI tool that can automate these tasks for you. It's a game changer, isn't it? AI technology has transformed the world of dropshipping. It's not just about automation, but personalization as well. AI can analyze data to predict trends and consumer behavior, helping you to choose winning products every time. It can also automate customer service, responding to inquiries, and resolving issues in real time. And when it comes to marketing, AI is a powerhouse. It can analyze customer data to create personalized marketing campaigns, increasing engagement and boosting sales. It's like having a personal marketing team working tirelessly to promote your products to the right people at the right time. But don't just take our word for it. There are countless success stories of beginners who have leveraged AI to skyrocket their dropshipping business. One such story is that of John, a beginner who started dropshipping in early 2024. Within 6 months of using AI, he saw a 200% increase in sales. His secret? A powerful AI tool that automated his product research and customer service, freeing up his time to focus on scaling his business. These success stories are not isolated incidents. They're a testament to the power of AI in dropshipping. With AI, beginners can overcome the typical challenges of dropshipping and fast-track their success. In the world of dropshipping, AI is no longer a luxury but a necessity. It's a tool that can give you an edge over your competitors, helping you to stay ahead of the curve in this rapidly evolving industry. The future of dropshipping is here, and it's powered by AI. Let's recap the benefits of using AI in your dropshipping business. As we've discussed, artificial intelligence is a game-changing tool that can revolutionize your approach to dropshipping. For beginners, this technology is a powerful ally, simplifying the process and eliminating many of the common challenges that can hamper your progress. Firstly, AI drastically improves the product research aspect of your business. It sifts through vast amounts of data, identifying winning products based on current trends and market demands. This saves you countless hours of manual research, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business. Secondly, AI can automate customer service. It can handle common inquiries, provide solutions, and even process returns or refunds. This not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also frees up your time to develop your business further. Thirdly, AI provides personalized marketing solutions. It analyzes consumer behavior and delivers tailored product recommendations, increasing conversion rates and boosting your sales. Now let's look at the potential of AI in dropshipping for the year 2024. With the technological advancements we're witnessing, AI is becoming more sophisticated and accessible. It's no longer a luxury for big corporations, but a tool within reach of entrepreneurs and small businesses. In 2024, those who leverage AI in their dropshipping business are expected to be at the forefront of the e-commerce industry. The potential for success is immense. AI can help you stay ahead of the curve, giving you a competitive edge in a rapidly evolving marketplace. Remember, in the world of e-commerce, the early bird gets the worm. The sooner you integrate AI into your dropshipping business, the quicker you'll reap the benefits. So don't wait until tomorrow to start benefiting from what AI can offer today. In conclusion, AI is not just a buzzword or a passing trend. It's a powerful tool that can transform your dropshipping business, making it more efficient, competitive, and profitable. Embracing AI in your dropshipping business could be your ticket to e-commerce success in 2024. Are you ready to start your dropshipping journey with AI? Dive deeper with our other videos packed with dropshipping tips. And hey, subscribing means you won't miss out on future content. Share your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Your success story could be next.